This video answers the search query how to buy shares of Land Securities and shows the essential steps. Land Securities is a UK property investment and development company listed on LSE PLC under the ticker Land.L. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LAND.L to find the listing quickly. Confirm you have selected the Land Securities entry that trades on the London Stock Exchange before proceeding. On the asset page, you can review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check market details like exchange, ticker Land.L, and recent price history. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully. If the market is closed, the platform will schedule the order for the next session, and if you don't have enough funds, you'll be prompted to add money before confirming. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link used in this video, check the description below.